Hello friends, this is number 1. Number 1 is blue. Let's see what we have for the number 1. Yes, we have one bird. 1. Great job. This number is 1. Now we have number 2. Number 2 is green. What do we have here? Yes, we have 2 suns. Let's count. 1, 2. Perfect. That is number 2. Now we have number 3. It is orange. Let's find what we have. Yes, we have 3 cars. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. This is number 3. Now we have number 4. It is purple. What do we have? Yes, we have 4 honeybees. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting. Now we have number 5. Number 5 is blue. Let's see. Yes, we have 5 lollipops. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Here is number 6. It is yellow. What do we have? Yes, we have 6 houses. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Now we have number 7. It is pink. Let's find out. Yes, we have 7 pineapples. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job, friends. Here comes number 8. Number 8 is blue. What do we have? Yes, we have 8 oranges. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing counting. Now we have number 9. It is yellow. Let's see what we have. Yes, we have 9 balloons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic. Finally, we have number 10. Number 10 is red. Let's find what we have. Wow, we have 10 ice creams. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, great job, friends. Bye bye.